50 daily use simple sentences in English. Good morning. Have a good day, madam. He is unwell. I will call you later. Excuse me? I didn't get you. Well done. Keep it up. You did a great job. What are you talking about? Would you like to join me for lunch? Could you stay away from my stuffs? I apologize. I'll catch you soon. Please give me the book. Kindly pass me the bottle. Hurry up. Get out of my sight. I'm feeling very tired today. I'm having lunch with my friends today. Come quickly. Talk to you later. Sorry, I do not understand. Please repeat. What do you mean? It's none of your business. I'm loaded with work pressure. If you don't mind, can I ask you something? Thank you very much. What is the matter with you? What is going on? Sorry for the inconvenience. What can I do for you, sir? Everything is fine. Did you get my point? What do you want from me? Where is your office? Get ready for school. I will try my level best. Are you joining us? This is not fair. I'm very pleased to meet you. It is my responsibility. What are you doing tonight? Thanks for the invitation. I will come again. Many, many happy returns of the day. I wish for happy married life. Please be seated. I'm on my way to the airport. Nice to meet you. Do you speak English? Hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching.